Good morning. Today we are repeating. It's a revisional class of classification of shorts. Television and film using different kind of shorts. That last episode I tell the seven kind of shorts. We directly to camera person need to have the ability to visualize the shots in a given location from any position without actually going to the particular spots. Shoot and classify the basic on content and will as on camera height, camera movement and usage. Classification of shot is a different kind of shots, mainly for seven kind of shots. In a television or a film media, the big or small camera, any type of camera you use to make a film or any other documentary, it's okay, advertising film, any other. Short size depending on the camera angles. Short size, seven type of shots mainly using to the cinematography. But the shots depending on the camera angles, field of view, and the camera distance, field of view and the camera distance. By physically altering the camera position on the lens, we can achieve seven different shot size. Shot size depending on the camera angle, field of view, and the camera distance between the subject and camera. We physically already to camera position on the lens, we can achieve seven different type of shot size. Consider an individual as the content with a frame. The seven basic shot could be categorized as the show in exhibit. Where focus referred to shot size and purpose refer to the short characterized and usages. When more than one person in including with the frame may be referred to as the two shots and is so on up to the group shot and showing the any other field of any other person, a group of persons, how to use the angles of camera angle and also the view between camera and object. When then the person is including to the within the frame, the framing may be referred to as the two shots. So it's up to the group shots. Basically, this classification shots contain there are three other classifications of the shots. Based the basic shots, classified, content, there are three other type of shots. Shot classified in camera height. Close. Camera height is the first classification of the camera. Shot division is the classification basic on the camera height. Second is shot classified camera movement. First camera height, Second, the camera movement. Third is the classification of usage. Classification of usage. The 7 type shows how to make the film or make any other programs. Short classified in camera height. What is the camera height in short classification? The height at which the camera is but give to the another classification of the shots. There are three possibility of the camera: eye level, one eye level, second low level. Eye level, lower level and top level. Eye level, low level and top level. Cameras basically height different three types. Eye level, high level and low level. All these two shots in previous exhibited discussing the 7 basic shot size are the eye level. 7 type shots: extreme long shots, medium long shots, medium and close up, extreme close up. It is this type of shots using the camera height in 3 type of height levels: high level, eye level and low level. We are using the eye level in 7 shots, eye level low level in 7 shots and height level in 7 shots in an object or a group person, any other. They are also called the low angle and high angle shots. Low level and top level size. This is the camera height levels: eye level, low level and top level. There are low level and top level shots. They are also called the low angle and high angle shots. There is classification of short classification content and a short classification camera height. First is camera height, second is camera classification camera in movement and short classification by usage. These levels at which shot has been set up was the influence on the emotional impact. Shots are level at which the shots have been used as an influence on the emotional impact. A character emotions are impact based on the shot. The viewers how to analyze the moment, how to feel the moment in a subject or object, a hero or heroine. Any other level shot has been used to influence on the emotional impact. Sad mood, happy mood, stunned mood, conversation mood, 2 or 3 persons, a group persons. Any other programs we are shooting, how to feel based on a shot. A small eye movement in extreme close-up shots. Fully face action is moving on the close-up shots. And other type of shots we have to move in emotional aspects of a person or object.